buhay na ngayon ang inyong sisimulan. At ang inyong buhay ay hindi na tulad ng dati, bago na talaga.
Every time I see you, I'm caught up in the feeling.
Looking back at our relationship, all the beautiful moments, and even in the not so beautiful moments, the difficult ones, the challenging ones, even the most painful ones.
Feels like slow motion. I never knew the feeling until you.
When I met you, I knew almost instantly you were the one. Even when we have disagreements or when life gets tough, then by just seeing your face, you always remind me that love isn't about perfection.
When we are together, my feet don't touch the ground.
Finally, Han, this is it. See you at the end of the aisle. Love you.
At Mary, sa buhay niyo bilang mag-asawa at buhay pamilya, ito po ang tandaan. Para dumating ang blessing sa inyo, kailangan kayo ay laging magdadasal.
Today is the day na matagal nating hinintay, pinangarap, at ipinagdasal.
Baby, no one's right. We can have a gracious growing sight. You don't believe in time. Every day is measured.
Has always been a clear yes. I'm so glad that I made that decision. It was the yes that have changed my life complete. Hindi pa din ako makapaniwala kung saan tayo dinala ng tadhana. Salamat, Daddy.
But forever starts to kill my appetite. But I can be heaven on my own. Even if I'm blind, I can be heavy like I'm wrong. I'm silent. But I just sometimes just feel high up now to know. So I can be heaven on my own.
Loving you has taught me that love is not just a feeling, but it's a choice we make every day. It's waking up each morning and deciding that no matter what, it's me and you.
I pray we're by design, but everything that's precious is finite. So we're waiting at the stage.
15 years ko tong hinintay. Darating ako. I love you, see you later. Let's enjoy our day.
We can have it if we take it. With you, I know I'll be loved. With you, I know I am whole. When I look in your eyes,
I vow to always prioritize our family and promise you faithfulness, forgiveness, patience, and marital fidelity. With all my heart, I choose you today, every day, and all the days of our lives.
Every time I see you, I just wanna feel you. Pull me closer. Take me in the moonlight. Take me to your room.
Let's continue to put God first and to help lead our family. I promise to continue to learn, grow with you. You are my soulmate. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal po ang ating mga anak. I will love you until my last breath. I love you.
Kahit siguro ilang babae pa ang ipalito sa'yo, ay wala pa rin makakapantay sa totoong pagiging may bahay. Kaya sa araw na to, kung masayang masaya ang puso mo, buo naman ang sa akin.
Simplihan ang buhay, kung ano lang ibigay ng may kapal, yun lang. Pagkasyahin nyo, importante, masaya kayong nagsasama at nagkakaintindihan.